Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna be registering my kit for Ancestry DNA and I am gonna be opening my package. I received it a few days ago, but I'm gonna give it a try for the collection of the saliva, and the mailing I might do in a couple of days. So here are the instructions for what you need to do to activate your kit. I have already activated my kit and I'm just gonna be doing the saliva thing right now with you. It has this paper at the top that says "Welcome to begin your story" and some further instructions, and I think this is the solution that you have to send the kit with. I think it's so that it doesn't get moisture or other things, but I'm not sure. Anyway, here is the actual tube. Might be a bit difficult for me to fill this tube today because I haven't drunk enough water yet. Let's see about the instructions for spitting. We have the cap solution, and I think you only screw it back on when you're done. You have the tube and there is the spitting line. Can you see? That's the funnel that you will use to spit on it. But then once you have spat, you take the funnel off and then you put the cap on top. Here we go. I'm going to struggle. You've done it. That's my spit. So I'm gonna take the funnel now out. There you go. And put the cap on top. I think that's how it goes. Once you screw the cap on, it released some sort of chemical, the blue thing. So now it's getting mixed there. Anyway, so the next thing to get this out and about, mail your sample. And this box where it came has this on the back. I wonder if you just throw it in there, hope for the best, you know? Then you probably need to put this in there. I think you probably just put the tube inside of this bag, right? And then that bag inside of the box. That makes sense. Okay, we've done everything right, except you're supposed to shake the tube for at least 5 seconds to make sure that the thing on top on the cap mixes with your saliva to stabilize your DNA. And it says to keep your card box here with the instructions until you get your results. So you keep this one. That's more than it needs to be, so that's good. And that's the result.
She's ready. She's ready. Okay.